what's this? Hard severe?
Supposedly it didn't feel like it. That'll make it easier and it's not make you climb up to the face of the rock instead.
Over there?
Yeah.
I'll probably come up this way.
Yeah, that's
to your left, or to my left, and you. Right, climb in. That's a good cam, that.
Yeah, they're both pretty nice. See, when you're doing these short routes, you just need them to protect the harder move.
Yeah.
You don't really need loaded. My feet are going to be on the main hole there.
There's a dart of one of my climbing shoes tied up.
Oh, I remember finding this incredibly big.
Yeah, ones where you can push up like that, I really like.